Substitute multiple whitespace with single whitespace in Python. I have this string. How can I substitute the double, triple, whitespace characters with a single space, so that I get
a simple possibility, if you'd rather avoid re's, is the split and join perform the task you're explicitly asking about, plus, they also do the extra one that you don't talk about but is seen in your example, removing trailing spaces.
A regular expression can be used to offer more control over the whitespace characters that are combined. To match Unicode whitespace. To match ASCII whitespace only. Matching only ASCII whitespace is sometimes essential for keeping control characters such as X0B, X0C, X1C, X1D, X1E, X1F. Reference. About \s. For Unicode, str, patterns, matches Unicode whitespace characters, which includes \t, \n, /r, /f, \v, and also many other characters, for example the non-breaking spaces mandated by typography rules in many languages. If the ASCII flag is used, only \t, \n, /r, /f, \v is matched. About re.ascii. Make \w, \w, \b, \b, \d, /d, /s and /s perform ASCII-only matching instead of full Unicode matching. This is only meaningful for Unicode patterns, and is ignored for byte patterns. Corresponds to the inline flag, $A. Strip will remote any leading and trailing whitespaces.
For completeness, you can also use which will work quickly on strings with relatively few spaces, faster than re in these situations. In any scenario, Alex Mitali's split/join solution performs at least as quickly, usually significantly more so. In your example, using the default values of timeeq.timer.repeat, I get the following times. Edit. Just came across this post which provides a rather long comparison of the speeds of these methods.